Hi, I'm Mark Clugwell, welcome to the Photographer Academy, and today we're playing around with projection and boudoir, doing like a bit of a fashion-y kind of shot. And you've seen me use kind of old spectacle glasses before and things really. We're going to be bringing those in as well. But we've got the wonderful Molly with us. Hello. And we've got a projector, which is there. And we've got a flash, which is there. And we've got a camera that is there. So we are photographing at, switching on the camera would help, 1/6 of the second at f13. And we've basically metered the flash to kind of give us the exposure, but obviously we're having the modeling bulb switched off. The reason for doing that is so they don't interfere with the exposure as such. Brandon Wonderboy, who's fiddling at this point, and he's just about to move the camera. There you go, see? Basically, he's going to be on the computer desk, and he's going to be selecting different images and moving the hue and saturation like we're going to see straight away on the orange, okay? We'll make it quite fast because this is really playing around with it, but realistically, you're going to see this put in front of the lens to actually kind of create a little bit more weirdness, as now my eye is much bigger than it was, okay? So it kind of gives you some idea of what we're going to be playing around with. Enough from me. Mol, on your stage, please, my darling. So you can see Molly is pretty much being lit by the projection light. And then once I'm done with that, focus is going off. And the flashes are basically creating the image. Let me just check there's some images coming through. There is. Do you want to just flick to screen so they can see the screen a minute? And then we'll do a bit of a review, yeah? So we've got Molly quite static in pose. I think that left hand, Molly, just needs to twist around just a little bit. That's lovely. Grip a garter on the back of the leg, I think, and bend the arm just a little bit more. The right hand needs to turn around a little bit more kind of finger thumb touch. That's beautiful. But otherwise, you're amazing. Okay, so it is a bit more of a commercial ad. So let's just kind of just do some shots. Then we'll move the lens in and out to blur stuff. Kind of coming in and out and so on. Excellent. Can you, Brandon, can you just really give me a big hue and saturation change a minute, please? Stay on the computer desk for a minute, yeah? And that's great. Okay, nice and still, Mol. Ready? Again. Okay, Brandon, let's just choose another hue change, please. Oh, amazing. Okay, let's do that. Ready, Molly? That's ready to go, darling. Lower the chin, darling, more. Love it. Keep it. And again. Nice. Okay, let's, Mol, just shake your head a little bit, but try and keep the rest of the body as still as you can. Ready? Go, go, go. What do you mean, no? Don't look at me while you're doing it. Looking down to the floor when you're doing it. I love it. Keep it, and a couple more. Big hue change, please. Oh, I like that. Okay, nice and still, Mol. Look towards the light, Molly. Slight bend in the elbow, a touch more. And again, big change again, please. More. Again, another change. Great, let's change photograph fully, can we? So we're just swapping it on the likes of Photoshop. Let's go to the numbers. I like the numbers, please, if you could. And we'll just put it in bridge. Yeah, that's it. It's great, mate. Okay, so this shot now is basically just in bridge, okay? It's just filling the screen and everything else with it. Let's have a quick look. There we go, it's there. I like that a lot. So remember, the flash is giving us our white light, as it were. The numbers behind everything else is just a part of it, and it's really good. Okay, ready, Mol? Let's do it. Love it, love. Shake the head a little bit more. Okay, and just slightly move the hands at the same time. Go. Go. Keep the body still if you can. Like it. Remember, the focus at this point is in manual mode. Relax. So we've got manual focus. So basically, it doesn't matter where I'm moving the prism to. It basically keeps the shot being able to shoot straight away with it and things really. Obviously, if this is a lingerie shoot, we're really trying to actually kind of really get images. Really nice those going through. Brandon, go give me another image, can you? Oh, that's okay. Yeah, I like it. I like where the lines are, in fact. It's really good. Okay, Molly, about 3 or 4 shots, yeah? Okay, let's do it. Again. Nice expression, darling. I like that. Look towards the light again. Great, it's there again. Moving hands a little bit, keeping the body still. 2, 3, go. Again, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. Moving just the head. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. Relax, nice. Okay, change the background again, please, Brandon. Oh, love it. Oh, let's have a look. Oh. I think you're my new wallpaper at home, Molly. We'll sell you. Let's have a little. Oh, I like that a lot. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, keep it. Eyes closed, I think, for a few. Keep it. Remember, the closer I bring the glass to the lens, the bigger the effect. The further I push it away, the less of the effect as such, really. Okay, let's move in, Mole. Keep the body still, though. Again. Nice, relax, love it. Yeah, cool. One more shot, shall we? One more change. Again, nice. Lovely expression. Do it again, Mole. Big expression looking off camera. Move the hands a little bit. Just move the fingers, in fact. Nice. Excellent, Molly. Have a little rest, love. Brilliant. Love it, love it, love it. Very well done. Woo! Standing up on the pedestal. Great. Go and have a rest off stage you for a minute. Brilliant. I'll just pop some light onto me. So basically, what we just did was allow the projection to go onto Molly's body, yeah? So the difference in that is that when the projection is going onto the body, basically the background and the exposure have got to be the same. So as far as the flash and everything else is concerned. If like now, where I move my body in front of that projection, basically there's no projection onto me, and so I can light her independently fully of what is on the background. So if I didn't want any of the projection to go on the body, get them in front of the actual projector, so in other words away from it. So the projector is acting just to light up the backgrounds, and it's a quick way. You couldn't do this with kids and everything else with it because obviously it'd just be too slow and everything else. But you know, there's some great photographers around using projection and gels and everything else. Guys like Glenn Norwood, who's done webinars for us on the Academy in the past and things really. So again, it's really about playtime and perfecting your kind of style, and then actually really pushing that style each day to get new clients. Hope you enjoy the film. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.